Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Zoom supports virtual backgrounds. Update the app if needed. Once done, position yourself against a plain wall or set up a green screen to improve edge detection. Open the Zoom desktop client and sign in, then navigate to your profile and choose Settings. From Settings, select Backgrounds and Filters so you're ready to upload or choose a background. This first step speeds up the rest, because Zoom can only show options once you're in the Backgrounds and Filters panel. Now you'll add the actual media and tweak settings. Click the plus icon to upload an image or video. Zoom accepts JPG, PNG, MP4, and MOV. If you're using a green screen, check the I have a green screen box, and when prompted, pick the correct chroma color so Zoom keys cleanly. Make sure Mirror My Video is set the way you prefer and try the built-in blur to reduce background noise. These adjustments improve realism and prevent your edges from flickering during the meeting. Finish by previewing your chosen background in a test meeting and make final lighting and camera angle tweaks so the keying looks natural. If the virtual background fails to appear, restart Zoom first. Then try toggling Use hardware acceleration for video or use GPU for virtual background in advanced settings to resolve compatibility issues. If artifacts persist, switch to a higher resolution image, simplify the background pattern, or move farther from your backdrop to reduce digital noise and get a clean,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.